If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To export a PDF as a Microsoft Word document in Acrobat, open the PDF to convert in Acrobat. Then click the hamburger menu button in the title bar. Roll down to the Export a PDF command, and roll over the Microsoft Word command in the side menu that appears. To export to the old Word 97 through 2003 file format, which ends with the .doc file extension, then click the Word 97 through 2003 document command in the side menu. Alternatively, to export to the new Microsoft Word file format, which ends with the .docx file extension, select the Word document command in the side menu. In the Save As dialog box that then opens, select the location to which to export the PDF and enter a name into the file name field. Optionally, you can click the Settings button to open the Save As DOCX Settings or Save As DOC Settings dialog box, where you can change any advanced Word export settings if needed, and then click the OK button to apply them. To finish and export the PDF as a Microsoft Word document, click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.